Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Miss Katie's Corner. If you're watching this on Wednesday, April 22nd, happy Earth Day. Today is a wonderful day to celebrate Mother Earth. And for today's video, I have two things planned. First, I want to talk to you all about what is mixed recycling and what can we put in the recycle bins and what do we have to put in the trash. So first I want to go over what that is, and I have a website that I'm going to show you that's actually Rhode Island Resource Recovery Center, and that's Rhode Island's recycling plant. So I'm going to go straight to their website and show you what they say we can recycle and what has to go in the trash. And then after that, since it's Earth Day, I would love to go out and I'll show you how I walk down my road and collect trash and sort it at the end to clean up the earth and to celebrate Earth Day in my own way. Now, of course, you're going to have different ways that you might celebrate Earth Day, and that can be a whole number of things. You can do just the smallest thing can help clean up the earth. And so I'm just going to show you my way of doing it, but I'd love to hear if you'd like to share what your way to celebrate Earth Day is. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to head to this website. I'll take us there and navigate, and I'll show you what can be recycled in what is called mixed recycling. Okay, let's get started. So I have made my way to the Rhode Island Resource Recovery Corporation's website. Now, what this website does is it gives the citizens of Rhode Island an idea of what they can recycle in their bins or carts. So in the state of Rhode Island, we do something called mixed recycling. What mixed recycling means is we take all of our recyclables, so we take our plastic water bottles, our cardboard that might be from our pizza boxes, and we put them all in the same bin. So they're all mixed together. Now, this website is going to tell us what we can recycle and what we should not recycle. So please recycle only the following in your bin or cart: paper, cardboard, and cartons. That's it. No other fiber products. For example, wood and textiles are made from natural fiber, but they aren't paper, cardboard, or cartons, so they don't belong in your bin or cart. Paper and cardboard should be mostly cleaned and dry. A little grease on a pizza box is okay, and they should be flattened. Cartons must be empty at a minimum and rinsed whenever possible. Place plastic tops back on to cartons prior to recycling. So this is acceptable. We have paper, cardboard, and cartons. Let's see what else. Metal cans, lids, and foil. That's it. No other metal. For example, a metal frying pan is not a can, lid, or foil, so it doesn't belong in your bin or cart. Containers must be empty at a minimum and rinsed whenever possible. Foil should be clean and bunched up. So here we have the picture. Metal cans, lids, and foil. That is it. We also have glass bottles and jars. That's it. No other glass. For example, a drinking glass is not a bottle or jar, so it doesn't belong in your bin or cart. Containers must be empty and rinsed whenever possible. Remove metal tops from glass bottles and jars first and recycle separately. And lastly, we have plastic containers. That's it. No other plastic. For example, a plastic coat hanger is not a container, so it doesn't belong in your bin or cart. Containers must be empty and rinsed whenever possible. Place plastic tops back onto containers prior to recycling. No foam containers or plastic containers that once held flammable or fire capable materials or oily chemicals like gas, motor oil, and all these other pesticides and herbicides. So only plastic containers. So we have water bottles, a plastic cup. We have a K cup that's for coffee, this plastic carton that had sandwich in it, and this, it looks like detergent bottle. So bottles that look like this, plastic containers. Let's see, no plastic bags, bags of bags, or recycling inside of bags. Recyclables must arrive to our materials recycling facility loose. Click here to learn more about Rhode Island's special program for recycling plastic bags and film. So, boys and girls, here we go. You cannot recycle plastic bags. Now, when I go out to do my own recycling in just a few minutes, and picking up trash off the side of the streets, I'm going to use a plastic bag to collect the trash. However, I will not be recycling the plastic bag. That will have to be recycled in a different area. And Rhode Island has a special program for recycling plastic bags that we could talk about in class a different time. So I hope you learned a lot about what should be going in your recycling bins. Just to review, we have paper, cardboard, and cartons, metal cans, lids, and foil, glass bottles and jars, and plastic containers. All right, let's take a walk outside to see how we can help clean up Mother Earth for Earth Day. Okay, so now that we've collected all this trash, we're going to go through and sort out what can be recycled and put it into the recycling bin.